Communists. What are the two most important requirements for the success of a revolt or revolution? Easily, very easy. Two important requirements. A strong outside support and a strong inside support. अब तो ये सारे फॉर्मूले आपको पता होने चाहिए. Strong outside and strong inside. This proposal came in which year? 1917. In 1917, Germany has opened a front with the United States of America. Now see the first provision. Immediate end of war. If Russia goes out of war, what will happen? If Russia goes out of war, what will happen? How it will be beneficial to Germany? Thirdly, Germany will be free from Eastern Front. The force which is deployed in Russia will be sent on Western Front. So the first proposal was in the interest of Germany. So Lenin got the support of. Clear? Point is clear? Who will be the state? Soviet. Soviet means working class. Russia is an underdeveloped country, so 80% population is working class. So he got a very strong support of masses. Clear? Right? Lenin succeeded in getting the support of Germany, as the proposal was in the interest of Germany. Lenin succeeded in getting the support of Germany, as this proposal was in the interest of Germany. With the backing of Germany, he returns back to Russia. With the backing of Germany, he returns back to Russia. And as he had the support of the masses, so on 7th November 1917, 7th November, birthday of Mr. L.K. Advani, 7th November 1917, he gave the slogan, peace, prosperity and development. Peace, prosperity and development. With the help of the Soviets on all the fronts, he succeeded in occupying with the help of the Soviets in all the fronts, he succeeded in occupying the polity and administration of Russia. Occupying the polity and administration of Russia, and this was called as what? November November or Bolshevik Revolution of 1970. March or Bolshevik Revolution. November or one more guys. This according to Gregorian calendar. According to Russian calendar, February Revolution or Bolshevik Revolution, because Russian calendar is 1 month back. If you will write it on the basis of Russian calendar, so it will be February Revolution and October Revolution. But if you will write it on the basis of Gregorian calendar, it will be March Revolution and November. This revolution fulfilled, next line, this revolution fulfilled the dream of Karl Marx. The revolution fulfilled the dream of Karl Marx of turning working class into a ruling class. This revolution fulfilled the dream of Karl Marx of turning working class into a ruling class. But then Marxism became the curse for Russia. Marxism became the curse for Russia after 1917, creating acute economic crisis in Russia. Creating acute economic crisis in Russia. Example, agricultural crisis. Marxism became curse after revolution. Now please pay attention, very important. And see human psychology. So when revolution was going on in Russia, farmers were very happy. Workers were very happy, especially farmers. Because Europe has seen a very dangerous tradition, serfdom. Farmers' condition was worse than slave in Russia, in entire Europe. In India it was very good. In entire Europe, serfdom. You read manor system, European feudalism, manor system. Their condition, they were worse than animal in Russia, farmers. And when the revolution was going on, they were very happy. See, now the land will come under the control of farmers. Revolution took place. They became the owners of the land. Who? Farmers. Now communist revolution took place in India, and I was declared as the owner of the building. I was very happy. सरकार ने कहा ये बिल्डिंग आपकी. मैंने very good, sir. But then on the 31st of the last, there is the last month, last date of the month, the government agent came and said to me, Mr. Ojha, rent, the entire rent which you have collected, 20 lakh rupees, give it to me. I said, why? This building is mine. Yes, it's yours. So rent is also mine. Marxism. Second thing, this building is yours. But as production and distribution is in the hand of the state, so the rent is of the government. मकान आपका, रेंट सरकार का. बीवी आपकी, बच्चे सरकार के. अरे मैंने कहा नहीं सर, मकान भी मेरा, रेंट भी मेरा ना। मार्क्सिज्म बेटा, यू आर हैप्पी विद मार्क्सिज्म? हमने कहा जी। आप बोले वही मार्क्सिज्म, द सेम मार्क्सिज्म, प्रोडक्शन एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन विल बी कंट्रोल्ड बाय। ये जो आप मर रहे हो ना, अपने लिए मर रहे हो, अपने लिए। ड्रामेबाजी की बातें मत किया करो। मुझे किसी का सपना पूरा करना है, कोई किसी का सपना अपना नहीं पूरा करता अपना। आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर समवन। अच्छा, अभी बताओ किसके लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं? If you give all these answers to the board, they will immediately kick you out. आप ये नहीं कह सकते I'm preparing, I'm trying to fulfill the dream of someone else. Then you have to say कि sir, it's a very challenging job, so we find much scope to show ourselves in the service. And when you give all these answers, then you smile. झूठ बोल रहे बेटा। And you also have to smile. ये सब सही सोच रहे This exchange of a smile is very important. If they smile and you don't smile, you are not responding. हम इंटरव्यू बोर्ड में बोलते हैं लोगों को, if they are smiling, you also smile. ये सब एकदम सही सोच रहे हो। क्या कोई किसी ने कुछ नहीं करता, सब ड्रामेबाजी है। पर कहना पड़ता है हमें, नेशन ओशन कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ होता ही नहीं है। रशियन फार्मर्स वर जंपिंग रशिया, वी विल डाई फॉर रशिया। आपने अपना मांग लिया प्रोडक्ट। When the state forcefully took their produce, you know what they did? They brought down the agricultural production. They produced only that much which was their necessity, and that created famine of 1921. Famine of 1921, killing lakhs of people in Russia. Psychology. Farmers brought down what? Agricultural production. Yeah. This was called as agricultural crisis. कोई नेशन होता ही। ये तो बांधना है लोगों को सर। All the philosophy. वो अंडमान में ट्राइब रहती है, they don't have any philosophy, no Marxism, communism, nationalism, happy लोग। Whenever the outsiders go ना, they try to kill the outsiders. ये अंदर होता ना, ये कैमरा उमरा लेके जाते हैं, वो बेचारे नेचुरल लोग। Tribal means what? Pure people, pure, मस्त लोग, अच्छे लोग। ये कुर्ता उर्ता पहने ही अपने आप को civilized बोलते हैं। और ये तथाकथित the so called civilized, when they go to those areas, अब वो नेचुरल, अब बीच पे लेटे नंगे हस्बैंड वाइफ, ट्राइबल नेचुरल फॉर्म में रह रहे हैं, सेक्स कर रहे हैं। ये कैमरा उधर लेके जा रहे हैं। कोई शर्म नहीं, कोई काम कर रहा है तो पीछे हो जाओ। पर क्योंकि ये बदतमीज है ही, ये फोटो खींचने जाते हैं, फिर उसको व्हाट्सएप पे डालेंगे, फिर शेयर करवाएंगे। आजकल जिंदगी तीन ही चीज पे चल रही, लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट। अगर आप सच्चे हिंदू हैं